In collaboration with one of my all-time favorite brands. It is Tanzee. Now if you're a fake tanner like me and you like to sleep in your tan, or you like to just chill out and marinate in your tan, then you need a Tanzee. A Tanzee is a really amazing product. It's essentially a sheet protector that's made out of really beautiful soft feeling satin material, so it's going to protect your sheets and also protect your tan, so you're not going to get stuck to anything, you're not going to stain any especially light fabrics. I don't know about you guys, but I love white linen, and I also have a white leather lounge, so when I fake tan I usually walk around like don't touch anything, but the Tanzee really helps to sort that problem out. So I can literally fake tan, let it dry for 5 minutes, and then crawl in bed and watch Netflix if I want to. I can sleep the night away without having to worry about my sheets being tan. I also like to take my Tanzee away with me when I go on holidays or stay at other people's houses or stay at motels and hotels or Airbnbs, because you do not want to stain the linen, especially in an Airbnb, because then you get charged additional cleaning fees if you damage anything like their sheets and stuff. And even if you're like someone who like, you know, I don't like scratchy sheets, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit bougie and I'm 1,000 thread count type of girl. So some hotels that are a little bit more inexpensive have like scratchy feeling linen, and it really irritates my skin. So all I need to do is take my Tanzee and I sleep like an absolute dream, because it's really beautiful silky satin feeling fabric. So I'm going to get stuck into showing you what the Tanzee is, how it works, how you set it up, but I also want to show you quickly these gorgeous robes that Tanzee also make. So they're these gorgeous like satin rose gold robes, and they're just like the cutest thing ever. So if you are a robe girl like me, then you can definitely check out their robes. They've got them in black as well, I believe. And they also have really cute sleeping masks as well. So be sure to check out all their goodies. I do have a discount code, so I'll link it on the screen here for you guys. And without further ado, let's get into showing you how the Tanzee works. So when you order your Tanzee, it'll first of all come in a box like this. You can get them in a few different colors. And then once you open up your Tanzee, it looks like a little pouch like this, which is just great for travel and stuff because it folds all back inside itself. So all you have to do is flip the top of it open, and then you can just pull out the actual Tanzee. Once you have unraveled it, this is what it looks like. So you're going to need to remove all your cushions, of course. Goodbye cushions. And then just pull back your actual doona cover. Now the Tanzee does have an area for your pillow, so it avoids any slipping and sliding about while you're in your Tanzee. So as you guys can see here, this top section is for your pillow, and you just simply slide it on in. And then all you do is pop your pillow up at the front. Then I just like to zhuzh the lower half of my Tanzee and feed it under my doona. As you guys can see here, you have like a little flat piece, so when you pull your doona across, you can actually fold this over the front part of your doona, so you're not going to get any tan on the top part of your blanket either. And you just literally slide on in. It's that simple. Done! So now I'm ready to go to sleep. Not gonna have to worry about getting fake tan on anything. Like I said, because it has this little flap here, you can sleep with your arms out if you want to. You can pop your arms in, whatever floats your boat really. It's nice and spacious. I believe this is the medium size. I prefer the medium size because if I want to like roll about, or if I move around a lot, I don't get tangled up, and I got plenty of room inside of the actual Tanzee. They do have a few different sizes. I think they have a single, a medium, and a large maybe, but I will link them all in the description box for you guys. But it's just like such a good little product. And then all you have to do to wash it is just pop it in the wash, preferably in like a delicates bag, because it's like satin, it can pull quite easily, so you do have to be careful because the fabric is quite delicate. But it's just so nice, and I love the rose gold colour. It's so cute. That's really all there is to a Tanzee. So you can just literally sit back, Netflix and chill if you want, go to sleep if you want, obviously. But then also it's something you can take into your lounge room too and actually use on your lounge. So as you guys can see, I have a white leather lounge. So surprisingly, white leather is actually a lot easier to keep clean than what I ever thought it would be. But still, you don't want to get fake tan on your white leather lounge. Now, I usually tan on a Friday night and then I like to curl up and watch a movie. So I just simply take my Tanzee, slide on into it, lay on the lounge, and I don't have to worry. I don't get any tan on the white leather. I don't get any tan on my white dog. And everything just stays tan free and the tan stays where it's supposed to stay. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you loved learning a little bit more about Tanzee. It really is an awesome product for those of us who self-tan. So if you guys want to check it out, I will list it in the description box for you, and I'll also pop a coupon code down there. So be sure to give the video a thumbs up for me if you thought it was helpful. Leave me some comments and of course subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll be talking to you really soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. I wonder if I can put this around your leg. Lily! Is that your model pose? Can you look at me? Look at me, baby. Hi, ears up. Can you put your ears up? Good girl. Good girl. Guys, I'm literally dying. So Lily loves my Tanzee, so does Mimi. Whenever it's out, they always lay on it. They must love the feeling of the fabric, and I just had to take advantage and just do a photo shoot because my dog is so cute. You right there, Lil? You good girlfriend? Mummy's got to go to work. Are you just going to stay there all day?